Hey, my name is Leo Carrillo, co-founder and CEO of